and this is Fluffy from UGG Australia. Now, I bet you've never seen flip-flops like these. They are, I mean, just look at them. They look amazingly comfortable. Now, they have soft rubber straps, which feature an embossed UGG Australia logo and geometric design, giving it a little bit of extra something. A plush fleece footbed make this a must-have this season. I mean, look at this. I know you can't feel it, but I can, and let me tell you, it feels amazing. And it all comes together with this lovely textured TPR bottom, which provides durability and secure walking. It's also really flexible too. It's so fluffy and comfy, and it's from UGG Australia.